Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And guys, I've just washed my face using the Himalaya face wash, which is my most favorite face wash. And now moving to tone my face, I'm using this Wow Vitamin C Skin Mist Toner. Guys, this toner really helps you to brighten and also gives you a very refreshed feeling skin. गाइस अगर आप मेरे वीडियोस देखते हैं तो आप लोगों को पता है कि मुझे गुड वाइब्स के स्किन प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. आई लव दोज प्रोडक्ट्स बिकॉज दे हैव नो पैराबेन्स, नो सिलिकॉन्स एंड नो मिनरल ऑयल and as well as no sulfates, and they are all cruelty free. So this is why I chose Wow again. Now moving to the serum, I'm using again the same Wow Vitamin C face serum. This has got 20% of vitamin C, witch hazel and hyaluronic acid. This helps to hydrate your skin and brighten the complexion. Guys, did you all check the glow what this serum is giving me? And now just to hydrate my lips, I'm using this Maybelline Baby Lips. I love those tinted lip balms. And now to moisturize, I'm using this Garnier Wrinkle Lift. It is with the Swiss apple cell extract and pro retinol, which really helps the skin to reduce wrinkles, and this is a perfect base under makeup. And if you all want to achieve a nice flawless base which looks very gorgeous the whole day, CTM is must before applying any makeup. And now to prime, I'm using this Calabar primer. This is a very basic silicone primer. Just applying it on my T-zone, and then I'll just spread it all over my face and on my eyelid so that when I apply the eyeshadow, everything blends well. Guys, I also have a different video on CTM, so y'all can have a check. And I also made a video on CTSM, that is cleansing toning serum and then the moisturizer. And now for the foundation, I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty foundation. My shade is in custard. I love the formula of this foundation. It is extremely good for combination to oily skin because this is perfect matte foundation. गाइस, फाउंडेशन को हमेशा धीरे धीरे स्मॉल डॉट्स करके लगाना चाहिए. डोंट पुट इट एट वंस बिकॉज देन इट डजंट लुक गुड. इफ़ रिक्वायर्ड आप वापस ले सकते हो. एंड यू ऑल कैन सी आई एम जस्ट पुटिंग स्मॉल डॉट्स एंड देन आई एम जस्ट गोना ब्लेंड इट ऑल वेल. गाइज, आई हैव दीज क्यूट ब्रशेज़ विथ मी एंड काफ़ी जन कमेंट कर रहे हैं कि आप कौन से ब्रशेज़ यूज़ कर रहे हो. दे लुक वेरी क्यूट एंड दे आर वेरी स्टाइलिश. So guys, these are from the Amazon, but guys, I'm so sorry. I got them 3-4 years ago and now these brushes are not available. So I am really sorry, but they are super soft and I love them. Guys, many of y'all also asked me about why I don't use Beauty Blender. Guys, I do use Beauty Blender, but मुझे कम पसंद है use करना because it is very easy and very quick to use brushes. ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर को डैप करो फिर उसको इट इज़ अ लॉन्ग प्रोसेस एंड आई डोंट लाइक. आई लाइक एवरीथिंग क्विक फटाफट. बट मैं डेफिनेटली अपने फ्यू वीडियोज़ में यूज़ करूँगी. एंड नाउ टू कंसील, आई एम यूजिंग दिस Maybelline Fit Me concealer. माई शेड इज़ इन sand stable, and I'm just applying it very little where required because guys, this foundation is already full coverage. I don't need concealer after this, but just to highlight my under eye, I'm gonna use little bit of concealer and that's it. Guys, usually इसके बाद for oily skin and combination skin you don't need compact, but I am just using very little. मैं एक ही बार यूज़ करूँगी and I'm just gonna very lightly dust the compact all over so that ये foundation अच्छे से set हो जाए. And you all can see this compact was from Studio West. I got it from Westside. Sorry, it was a complimentary gift for me. And now to make my eyebrows, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild eyebrow palette. I love this palette, guys. It has perfect 2 shades of eyebrows, which is the light and the darker one, and also has the wax to set your eyebrows. Guys, any makeup look is just incomplete without making and defining your eyebrows. See, just look at the difference. My face looks so much more defined. And now for the blush, I'm going to use this Flower Beauty palette. This is a trio palette which has a contour, blush and a highlighter. And firstly, I'll just contour. This contour shade is just perfect. I love the grey tone in it. And guys, here if you all don't like to contour, you all can skip, but I love to because ये makeup look को अलग ही level पे लेके जाता है. Normally this is how I contour, just little bit under my jawline, the cheekbone and the forehead. And then if required according to the makeup look, I also like to define my nose. And this is how I do. I take a small round brush and just apply it and then take it upward near my eyebrows. This gives you a perfect shadow. And yes guys, here I'm trying to show you all that I take my contour between my nose and lips. This is how it gives you a lifted look. And then just blend your nose contour just under the eyebrow. This gives you a perfect look. And now for the blush, I'm going to use the same palette. This is very light pink color. You all can see it is a very subtle look and I love this. I wanted my contour to show up, so I'm keeping my blush very light. And just blending the brush all over on my eyelid, nose, forehead and chin. This gives a very healthy and fresh look. And now just to define my lips, I am using this Nykaa pencil. This is a perfect lip definer and I love how pigmented and beautiful they are. Guys, if you all want to see all the colors, please do comment. I would make a separate video on all the Nykaa pencils. And now I'm going to use this Huda palette. This is the Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use the peach color first and just gonna apply it on my crease. Guys, I know आप लोग ये हर वीडियो में सुनते होंगे, not my videos, I mean दूसरों के वीडियोस में, कि blending is the key. Yes, अगर आपको आई शेडो प्रॉपर ब्लेंडेड लुक चाहिए तो आपको अच्छे से आई शेडोज को blend करना पड़ेगा. And now I'm using this shimmery shade called Nebula. Guys, it is super pigmented and I love this shade. Oh my god, this is a perfect bluish purplish. This eyeshadow palette is super pigmented and has beautiful shades. Guys, I was not able to reach the inner corner of my eyes. As you all can see, I have these nails, and for that I'm just gonna use a flat brush and just give a proper shape. हमेशा शिमरी आई शेडोज को अपनी फिंगर्स से लगाएं, उससे आपके पिगमेंट्स एक्चुअली शो अप करेंगे. I am using the same peach color, the pinkish peach, and again I've just blended all well. And now for the mascara, I'm going to use this Essence mascara. This is the Princess mascara. Oh my god, मैंने जब से ये Essence के mascaras use किए हैं, since 4-5 years, I have not gone back to any other mascaras. I love them. They are beautiful. They curl your lashes so well. Also gives you a lot of volume, and you all can see मुझे actually falsies लगाने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. Guys, just look at this. Do you need anything else after this? It looks so beautiful. And guys, now to give that doll look eyes, I'm going to use this white kajal. This is from the brand Purple. This is my most favorite white kajal. I have tried many of them, but I only love this. It is super pigmented and you all can see it shows up so well. And now I'm gonna use this dark purple color eyeshadow and just gonna apply it very lightly on my lower lid. हल्का सा just eyes को define करने के लिए. Can you all see that instant change in both the eyes? This looks much pretty with all these lenses and all. It looks very gorgeous, glam and beautiful. And yes, if you all want to see the swatches of this palette, the Mercury Retrograde palette, then I will leave a link in my description, so please do have a check. Now using the same mascara on my lower lash line. Can you all see? This looks so beautiful. I love this look. I usually don't apply mascaras on my lower lash line, but this look I really loved it. And now I'm gonna use this Nykaa Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade Jane. This is a perfect nude brown peach kind of shade, which is beautiful. Guys, lately I'm only loving these peach orangish or these brown nude lipsticks, which are so neutral in shade and goes with all kind of makeup look. And now I am gonna use the highlighter from the brand Wet n Wild. I don't know why I was not using this highlighter for so long, but today I felt like using this, and this is still so beautiful. I remember the days when I just used only this highlighter and I used to love it so much, and I still love it so much. Can you all see? It is so soft, it is like butter, it is beautiful, it has no chunky glitters and just feels like your skin. Guys, can you all see? I'm just touching the brush on my forehead so lightly, and can you all see? It is so pigmented. And you just have to blend well, and this looks like a beautiful bomb highlighter. Applying it on my brow bone. Can you all see how beautiful the color is? And guys, if you're actually searching for a drugstore highlighter which is so soft and buttery, I highly recommend this highlighter. This one and the Maybelline. I am in love with it. इसके बाद मैं फॉल्स लैशेस यूज़ करूँगी. एंड गाइज़, आप लोग पूछते हो कि मैं माइक क्यों नहीं यूज़ करती हूँ. सो गाइज़, आई हैव 3 kids, आई हैव फैमिली. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. हमेशा बैकग्राउंड में कुछ ना कुछ आवाज़ रहती है बच्चों के वजह से, एंड आई कैन नॉट शो दैट ऑन माई वीडियो. सो आई होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड. मैं पीसफुली अपना एडिटिंग एंड वॉइस ओवर आफ्टरनून्स में करती हूँ ताकि मेरी आवाज़ आप तक वेरी क्लियरली जाए एंड मेरी वीडियोस में कोई डिस्टर्बेंस ना रहे. Hope you guys understand, and I have just added these falsies from Huda. I love these. Guys, sorry, ये pot avoid करें. I always forget इसको हटाना, and ठीक है यार, चलता है. And this is my final look. I have just put these big hoop earrings. एंड सो सॉरी, मुझे हेयर स्टाइल्स करना नहीं आता है. फॉर दिस लुक आई एम जस्ट टाइंग अ पोनी, एंड अदरवाइज़ मैं एक छोटा बन बनाती हूँ या फिर ऐसे खुले रखती हूँ. एंड दिस इज़ हाउ आई लाइक टू शो ऑन माई वीडियो बिकॉज आई रियली डोंट नो हाउ टू मेक हेयर स्टाइल्स, बट माई डॉटर नोज, एंड आई थिंक आई मस्ट गेट माई हेयर स्टाइल्स डन बाय हर एंड देन मेक वीडियोज़. Hoping to have nice hairstyles in my coming videos. And this was the final look. And guys, हमेशा की तरह लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, बहुत सारा प्यार दो, और प्लीज़ आपको अगर वीडियोस पसंद आते हैं तो कमेंट करो. स्टे सेफ एंड ऑलवेज कीप स्माइलिंग.